In this training video we're going to create a new building. Now, to have this facility, your EDS must be configured to multi-building version. Now, in order to access the building section, you need to first of all log in, and when you log in you get to the index page. So this is the CMS landing page. Buildings are in the information area. So in the information area you can see the sections in this area are slides and buildings. So to access the building listing and the add building form, I need to click on content. And you'll see in this version that there are two buildings listed. One is AU EBRIA and a code, and there's also here an edit icon, and you'll see the other building reserve and the code for that RSV. Now these codes and building names are configurable. We're going to add on a building now, so I use the add building form. So I'm going to call this building AU test 1, and I'm going to give it a code. I'm going to call it AUT, and I'll add a ET and click add, and here you can see the new building added on here. Now this means that for this particular version that you can have slides actually showing on AU EBRI or EBRI on that building, and also AU test 1, which we've just set up, or on yet another building which is called reserve. So it means that we can set up a slide cycle, an EDS slide cycle, for any of these buildings. And as we put slides together, we'll be able to configure them into one or all, or possibly a pair of the buildings here, because these will become options as I build the slides. That will become more obvious in the training video that's available, which is to create a new slide. Now what you've also got a facility to delete the building, and that icon there indicated, if I click on that item I can remove the building. You notice on this particular one, the ID1 building, no icon for deleting it, and that is because this building has a slide cycle attached to it. So obviously these two don't. So you can delete the actual buildings from the system. If they've got a slide cycle attached, then you can't. And in order to remove a building that has a slide cycle like this one, you would have to literally go through and delete the slide cycle before you got this icon to delete and to use to remove the building.